Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a Zoom meeting and share link. It's really simple and easy. So to go and get started, we need to go and get Zoom on our computer, open up a web browser, come to a search engine and search for Zoom. Then come to zoom.com, scroll to the bottom and you can easily download this Zoom application. After downloading, install the Zoom application and then open and make sure you are signed in to your account. Then you will see this kind of interface. You will see this option here. You can tap on this new meeting and you can tap on this join with computer audio, or you can test with speaker and microphone if you are worried they aren't working. You can turn off your microphone by muting it, and you can turn on and off the camera in the bottom left as well. Now to start inviting people or to share the link, what you can do is you can tap on this participant at the bottom, then come over to the bottom right and you can click on invite. You can grab a link at the bottom, or you can go and use your contacts or your email at the top here. But for the link, you can tap on this copy invite link and you can easily share it wherever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to host a Zoom meeting or share the link. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.